And now for our feature presentation.
Hi, my super friends. It's me, Dylan Amare. Welcome to Dylan on Demand. I'm in my BMW i8, and today I'm going to do my car sale. Welcome to Dylan on Demand. Welcome back to my car sale. Make sure you like and subscribe, please. Are you ready? Start your engine.
Go right ahead and share with your super friends your new fleet. Nissan. Beetle.
Vulcan.
Awesome. What do you have next?
A monster truck.
A monster truck. Okay, what's that? Camaro? Okay, great. You're doing so awesome, son. Just 3 years old.
Oldsmobile. It's lit.
It's lit? Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. What car is that right there?
A Shelby Cobra.
A Shelby Cobra? Do you know what year that is?
1965.
Oh my God. Hey, we're gonna pause right now. If you hadn't liked this video, make sure you get that out of the way. You don't wanna miss any of the life-changing information that Dylan shares with his super friends. What kind of car do you have next to the Shelby Cobra?
Corvette.
It's a Corvette? What color is your Corvette, son?
It's black.
Do you know how to say black in Spanish?
Negro.
Negro, wow! What kind of car do you have next to the Corvette?
BMW X6.
A BMW X6? Man, you're so awesome. Just 3 years old. What kind of car is that?
A Lambo.
A Lambo? What color is it?
It's orange.
It's orange? Okay, what kind of car do you have next to your orange Lambo?
An Aston Martin.
An Aston Martin? And another Aston Martin?
Mm-hmm.
Wow!
And a Maserati.
What? A Maserati? What color is your Maserati?
Red.
Do you know how to say red in Espanol?
Rojo.
Rojo! You got 2 Aston Martins. I can't get past that. Okay, on the back line, what kind of car is that, son?
A Porsche Panorama.
A Porsche Panorama? How do you know that's a Porsche Panorama?
It's dope.
It's what?
Dope.
How do you tell the difference between each car, son?
I look at the symbol.
You look at the symbol? Wow, that's the cheat sheet. Okay, we're down to
Billy.
2 Bentleys. What color is that Bentley, son?
Blue.
You know how to say blue in Spanish?
Azul.
Azul. What kind of Bentleys are they?
Continental GT.
A Continental GT? What kind of car is that right here, son?
A McLaren.
A what?
McLaren.
A McLaren? Wow. What about that old school car right there? What kind of car is that?
Old school Benz.
An old school Benz? What kind of doors does that car have?
Butterfly doors.
Butterfly doors. That's a 1954 classic valued at over $1 million. Dylan has it in his fleet. But he's not stopping there. Hey, super friends. Hey, make sure you hit that notification bell. Dylan will be uploading some phenomenal content in 2021. You want to be first to get it.
Are you guys excited?
Yes, we're excited, son.
My car's so lit, I have to bring him in on a flatbed.
You have to bring him in on a flatbed? You gotta be kidding me. Wow, at 3 years old, the new car show off. Hey, tell me, what kind of car is that right there?
A Lambo.
A Lambo? Do you know what color that Lambo is?
White on white.
White on white. Do you know how to say white in Spanish?
Blanco.
Blanco? Okay, what car do you have behind it right there?
A Lambo.
It's a Lambo too?
Mm-hmm.
Black Panther Lambo?
Yeah, Black Panther Lambo.
Okay, can you show me what kind of doors does that black Lambo have?
Suicide doors.
Suicide doors?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay, what car do you have behind the Black Panther Lambo right there? Yeah, that car right there. What kind of car is that?
A McLaren, blue McLaren.
A blue McLaren? I like that McLaren. Does it do something special? Wow, what kind of doors are those?
These butterfly doors.
Oh, great job, son. Awesome. And now to these doozies. Wow. Dylan, what kind of ride is that?
His and her G-Wagon.
His and hers G-Wagon. For a 3-year-old? Wow. What kind of car is a G-Wagon?
A truck Mercedes-Benz.
A Mercedes-Benz truck? What color is this one right here?
White.
White. Okay, what color is that one?
Black on black.
Black on black. Whoo, look at that one. That's a cool car. Dylan, what kind of car is that right there that you have? What kind of car is that, son?
Oh no, that's a Spider Porsche. That's a Spider Porsche.
It's a Spider Porsche? Yeah, it's so nice. You had to shake your head, Dylan. Hey, give me a fun fact about your Spider Porsche.
It's the second fastest car I have.
Wow! This is phenomenal, but it's not over yet.
Stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe, please.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Dylan's gonna do a special unboxing of his best car yet.
Bugatti.
Whoa! What do you have?
Bugatti.
A Bugatti? Wow! Are you excited? Wow! What does the Bugatti do? Whoa! What else does it do? Whoa! Wow! Is that your new favorite car? Okay, do you know any fun facts about the Bugatti? How much is it worth?
$3 million.
$3 million?
Yeah, it's the world's fastest car.
The world's fastest car? Hey, super friends, if you like this video and others like it, please leave in the comments some of the cool cars we may have left out, Dylan. Why do you like that Bugatti so much, son?
Like this B symbol.
The B symbol? Hey Dylan, don't you have one last surprise for your super friends? Hey, share your song with the world.
I will come with my new Bugatti. I will come with my new Bugatti. My name is Dylan Amare. I'm the Bugatti. If you follow my foot, I might have had that Bugatti. I hope you have fun at my concert.
We interrupt this program for an on-the-spot news report.
Happiness is a dance. Happiness